Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will solve the activity sheet of pull and push. Name the force that is being used in these pictures. Is it pull or push? Look at the picture. Which force is used? Pull or push? The right answer is pull. The man is pulling a rope. Look at the picture. Which force is used? Pull or push? Pull. A boy is pulling a pillow. Which force is being used in this picture? Push or pull? The answer is push. The man is pushing the trolley. Which force is used here? Pull or push? The answer is pull. A boy is pulling the box. Which force is used here? Pull or push? The answer is push. A man is pushing the trolley. Which force is used here? Pull or push? The right answer is pull. A boy is pulling the cart. Which force is used here? Pull or push? The right answer is push. A boy is pushing the box. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 is dash and pull can change direction. The right answer is push. Push and pull can change directions. Number 2, we can make a bicycle to dash by pulling. The right answer is move. We can make a bicycle to move by pulling. Number 3, you dash the door to open it. The answer is pull. You pull the door to open it. Number 4, a flag is raised and lowered down with the help of dash. The answer is pulley. Number 5, push and pull is a dash. The answer is force. Push and pull is a force. True or false? If the sentence is correct, then put a tick. If the sentence is wrong, then put a cross. Number 1 is a force can stop a moving object. Is this right or wrong? The sentence is right, then put a tick. Push is a kind of energy. Is it right or wrong? The sentence is wrong, put a cross. Number 3, a force can change the direction of an object. Is this true or false? The sentence is true, put a tick here. Number 4, we pull or push a door to open it. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Put a tick here. Number 5, a horse pushes a cart. Is this true or false? It is false. Put a cross here.